Gliglish has an update and it's so good. This is amazing to learn. Plus, you can ask it to correct your mistakes. You have 10 free minutes a day. I have 2 other tutorials on Gliglish. All the links are in the description. Now you can translate and keep the words. This means you can access them and watch them multiple times so that you can learn. You also have more amazing role plays, and you can also talk about your favorite song. So this is really good, but if I am being honest, it feels like your 10 free minutes are shorter. Yes, this is fabulous, but if you are in the free plan, of course it has limitations. My advice, choose and use a lot of apps to learn the language. And you can also use ChatGPT. Check out my playlist. They are brilliant, they have so many, and they're all free. So, if you like the video, do like, subscribe and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye for now.